Good afternoon, everyone. This is Anthony, Wall Street Trader. It's 1:44 p.m. Eastern Standard Time on Thursday, October 28th, 2021. This isn't financial advice, it's educational. Click the subscribe and the bell, be notified of the videos when they come out, as well as the thumbs up and share the video. We're talking about STORJ, Web 3.0, fundamental, foundational technology. Intraday updates are on that Twitter link below. Let's go straight to STORJ US dollar. We are definitely in a narrowing pattern here, as you can see in this very long-term pattern going all the way back. In fact, all the way back since March of 2020, we've had this really solid line of support. Now, what's really interesting here is that we're getting to a point where something is going to happen, and I just don't exactly know when, what day. This stuff happens when it happens, but I can tell you that something will likely happen between now and at some point in mid to late November. Right now, we did bounce off this bottom area of support very cleanly. Just take another deeper look at this. Right off of that line of support, and now making a bid for the 121 line again. If we get past the 121, we should easily be back on our way to 137, which is at least a 10% uptick from there. In the meantime, over to STORJ Bitcoin, also looking pretty solid around this line of support at 1781. We're very much above it around 1936. I expect us to be over it. In fact, I expect us to start bouncing again. A couple of reasons why. I think Bitcoin dominance is starting to take a nice spill, which is helpful towards the altcoin market. But it's not just Bitcoin dominance going down. If Bitcoin dominance is going down and you have Bitcoin US dollar going up, that's a double thumbs up for the altcoin market. Let's go take a look at Bitcoin real quick. We do have a line of resistance here. Even though we popped back up over the 58K and have disqualified the bigger head and shoulders pattern, which could have resolved us down to 54, we have disqualified it. So the head and shoulders that we really had was at the 58 range. Because we didn't drop below 58, we didn't go all the way down to 54, which is key. But we bounced up here, and we do have a short-term line of resistance. What we need to do is get past that line of resistance, which is roughly about where we're at right now, at 61.5. If we break it in earnest, we go all the way up to 66. It's good, almost 10%, 8 to 10% away from where we are now. Now, going over to Bitcoin dominance, we are also seeing a downward channel. Even though we had a spike yesterday, we're starting to hit resistance on this channel, and we're starting to come back down. So we're going to keep our eye on what's going on with this. But in the meantime, STORJ US dollar looks really healthy to me. One of the better Web 3.0 ones that I'm covering right now. And I think this thing has a pretty formidable line of support. And that's really what you want, especially when you're on the bottom end of it. So we'll all catch up soon.